Namaste. Today we shall revise the 2 chapters from your 8th standard CPA Mathematics textbook. 6th chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities. 7th chapter Factorization. So, chapter 6 Algebraic Expression. What is algebraic expression? It is defined as a sum, difference, product or quotient of constants and variables. It is defined as sum, difference, product or quotient of constants and variables. For example, 5x plus 9. Here 9 is the constant term and x is the variable. Here the coefficient of x is 5. Next, we shall revise monomial, binomial and trinomial. What is monomial? Monomial means there is only one term in the algebraic expression. For example, 7x. Here only one term is there. So monomial. Then binomial means since there are two terms in an algebraic expression, then the expression is known as binomial. For example, 5xy plus 8. It's the first term, it's the second term. So two terms. Then trinomial. There are three terms in an algebraic expression is known as trinomial. For example, 4x square plus 3x plus 6. It's the first term, second term, third term. Then polynomial. Polynomial means if there are more than three terms. Poly means many. So more than three terms in the algebraic expression is known as polynomial. For example, 8x square plus 7x plus 6y plus 5. How many terms are there? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. So more than three terms. Next, we shall revise the degree of a polynomial. Degree. Degree means the highest power of the variable component in an algebraic expression is known as degree. Highest power of the variable component. Here, degree of 9y square plus 7y plus 4x plus 3. Here, x and y are the variables. The power of y is 2. Here the power of y is 1. Power of x is 1. The highest power of the variable. Highest power means here 2. Power 2. So the degree of this expression is 2. Highest power of the variable. Then we shall revise the multiplication of algebraic expression. First one, multiply p minus 4 into 2p plus 9. P minus 4 into 2p plus 9. First multiply p into the whole term 2p plus 9. Then minus 4 into 2p plus 9. P into 2p plus 9 means p into 2p plus p into 9. Then minus 4 into 2p minus 4 into 9 is equal to 2 into p square plus p into 9, 9p minus 8p, 4 into 2, 8, 8p minus 4 into 9, 36. So 2p square, 9p minus 8p plus 1p. So p minus 36. 2p square plus p minus 36 is the answer. Next, question number 2. 4x into x minus 7 minus of 2x minus 3 into 2x plus 5. 4x into x minus 7. So 4x into x minus 4x into 7. 4x into x is 4x square minus 4x into 7 is 28x. Then minus of within the bracket 2x into the whole term. 2x into 2x plus 5. That is 2x into 2x. 4x square. 2x into 5. 10x. Then minus 3 into the whole term. Minus 3 into 2x. Minus 6x. Minus 3 into 5. Minus 15. Then 4x square. Minus 28x. Minus of 4x square. 10x minus 6x. 10 minus 6 plus 4. So 4x minus 15. Multiplying by minus 4x square minus 28x minus 4x square minus into plus minus 4x minus into minus plus 15. Cancelling the like terms 4x square and minus 4x square. Here minus 28x minus 4x minus 32x plus 15. The answer is minus 32x plus 15. Next, we shall revise the division of algebraic expression. Divide minus 16x plus 24x raised to 5 minus 12x cubed by 4x. So, dividing each term by 4x. First term minus 16x by 4x plus second term 24x raised to 5 by 4x minus third term 12x cubed by 4x. Here x and x cancel. Then how many 4s are in 16? 4 4s are 16. So minus 4 plus here 4 and 24. 6 4s are 24. So 6 x raised to 5 by x raised to 1. So x raised to 5 minus 1 x raised to 4 minus 4 and 12. 3 4s are 12. So 3 x and x cube. Here x raised to 1, here cube. So 3 minus 1 minus 3 x square. So minus 4 plus 6x raised to 4 minus 3x square. Arranging the terms. So 6x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus then 4. Question number 2. Find the quotient and remainder when 2x cube plus 19x square plus 6x plus 63 is divided by x plus 4. By using long division method, how to divide this polynomial by x plus 4. So here the dividend is 2x cube plus 19x square plus 6x plus 63 divided by the divisor is x plus 4. So first we divide the first term of the dividend by first term of the divisor. So 2x cube by x, 2x square. Then multiplying 2x square into divisor. 2x square into x, 2x cube, 2x square into 4, 8x square. Then subtracting. 2x cube minus 2x cube, 0. Here change the sign. Plus 9 plus 19 minus 8. So plus 11. 11x square. Write down the next term of the dividend. 6x. Again 11x square by x. 11x square by x is 11x. Then 11x into x plus 4. 11x into x. 11x square. 11x into 4. 44x. Then subtracting. Here 11 minus 11. 0. So 6x minus 44. 6x minus 44x minus 38x. Next term, write down the next term of the dividend, 63 plus 63. Then dividing minus 38x by x. Minus 38x by x is minus 38. So multiplying minus 38 with x plus 4. Minus 38 into x is minus 38x. Minus 38 into plus 4 is minus 152. Then subtracting. Here plus, so minus 38 plus 38, 0. Plus 63 plus 152. So add the numbers plus 215. So the quotient is 2x square plus 11x minus 38 and the remainder is 215. Next, we shall revise identities. First one, a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus, here the sign is minus, minus 2ab plus b square. Third identity, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. One more identity, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. First question, expand 2c plus 7 the whole square by using the first identity a plus b the whole square. Here a is 2c and b is 7. So 2c plus 7 the whole square is a square, 2c the whole square, 2 square c square, 4c square plus 2ab, 2 into 2c into 7 plus b square, 7 square. 7 square is 7 multiplied by 2 times by itself. So 7 into 7, 49. So 4c square plus multiplying the numbers 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 7, 28. 28c plus 49. Next one, 3h minus 1 the whole square. By using the second identity a minus b the whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 3h and b is 1. So 3h the whole square, 3 square h square, 9h square minus 2ab, 2 into 3h into 1, 2 into 3h, 6h, 6h into 1, 6h. So minus 6h plus b square, here b is 1, so 1. So 9h square minus 6h plus 1. Then next question, 2y plus 7 into 2y minus 7. So a plus b into a minus b. First terms are same and the second one same. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So here the first a is 2y and b is 7. So a square 2y the whole square minus b square 7 square. 2y the whole square means 2 square y square. 2 square means 4. 4y square minus 49. Next, question number D. X plus 5 into x plus 3. Here the first term same. So x plus a into x plus b. X square plus a plus b into x plus ab is equal to, here the variable is x. So x square plus a plus b. So 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 into x plus ab. 5 into 3. X square plus 5 plus 3, 8. 8x plus 15. Then question number 2. Expand a plus 3b the whole square minus a minus 3b the whole square. By using the identity a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a is equal to a plus 3b and b is equal to a minus 3b. So a plus b means first one a plus 3b plus b means a minus 3b into a minus b. A plus 3b minus of within the bracket a minus 3b is equal to 3b and 3b minus 3b 0 cancelling. So a plus a 2a. 2a into here a plus 3b, a plus 3b multiplying minus a, minus into minus plus 3b. So minus a and plus a cancel. So 3b plus 3b 6b. So here a plus a 2a. 2a into 6b. 2 into 6 12. 12 ab. Next question, question number 3. Evaluate 101 square, 99 square and 195 into 205 using identities. So 101 square. So 101 square is equal to 101 can be written as 100 plus 1 the whole square. So by using which identity? A plus b the whole square. So a square. Here a is 100 and b is 1. So a square 100 square plus 2ab 2 into 100 into 1 plus b square 1 square 100 into 100. So here 2 0. So 4 zeros. 10,000 plus 2 into 100 into 1 200 plus 1 square. 1 square is 1 into 1 1. 10,000 plus 200 plus 1 10,201. The next one 99 square. 99 is equal to 100 minus 1. Here 99 square means 100 minus 1 the whole square. So by using which identity? A minus b the whole square. Here a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 1. So a square 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. 100 square 10,000 minus 2 into 100 200 plus 1. 10,000 minus 200. So 9,800 plus 1. 9,801. One more option. 195 into 205 is equal to 195 can be written as 200 minus 5 into 205 can be written as 200 plus 5. 200 minus 5 into 200 plus 5 by using a minus b into a plus b. Which identity? A minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. So 200 square minus 5 square. 200 square means 200 into 200. 2 into 2 4. 100 into 100 10,000. So 40,000 minus 5 square is 25. 40,000 minus 25 is 39,975. Next, chapter 7, factorization. Factorization, the process of writing an algebraic expression as a product of its factors is called factorization. How to write the expression as a product of its factors? First one, factorize minus 5mx minus 10my. Factorization using common terms is equal to, it's the first term, it's the second term. So here minus 5m is common for both the terms. So take outside minus 5m into inside. Here first one is x, then plus 2y. Minus 10my divided by minus 5m, 2y. So minus 5m into x plus 2y. Next question, factorize 3a into x plus y minus 4b into x plus y. Here x plus y is common for both the terms. So take x plus y outside. X plus y into, in the first term, 3a. Then minus 4b. Here 3a minus 4b. Next, question number 3. Factorize 72 minus 9a plus 2ab minus 16b is equal to, first take the two terms, 72 minus 9a. Here 9 is common for both first two terms. So take 9 outside. 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72. So 9 into 8 minus a plus the next two terms 2b is common. So plus 2b into a minus 8. Then here first time is 8 minus a. Here a minus 8. So 9 into 8 minus a, take minus outside. So minus 2b into 8 minus a. Here 8 minus a, 8 minus a is common. So take outside 8 minus a into 9 minus 2b. Next, factorize 4x square minus 36xy plus 81y square using identities. So 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 square x square. 2 square x square means 2x the whole square minus, here 81y square. 81 means 9 square. So 9 square y square. 9y the whole square. So in the middle term, here a square, here b square. In the middle term 2ab. Here a is 2x and b is 9y. So 2ab means 2 into a into b. 2 into 2x into 9y is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b the whole square. Here a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 9y. So 2x minus 9y the whole square. Next, factorize k square plus 4k plus 4. Here k square is equal to same k square plus 4k plus last term 4. 4 can be written as 2 square. So the first term is k square, the last term is 2 square. So in the middle 2ab. Here a is equal to k and b is equal to 2. So 2ab means 2 into k into 2. 2 into k into 2. So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square. Here a is equal to k and b is equal to 2. So k plus 2 the whole square. Then next question, factorize 49b square minus 1 is equal to 49 can be written as 7 square. 7 square b square minus 1 can be written as 1 square. So 7 square b square can be written as 7b the whole square minus 1 square. So by using a square minus b square identity, a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. So a square minus b square. So here a is equal to 7b, b is equal to 1. So 7b plus 1 into 7b minus 1. Next, factorize y square minus 8y minus 9 by splitting the middle term. You have to split the middle term. So first of all, you have to find the product and sum. Product means the coefficient of y square and constant term. Here the coefficient of y square is 1. So 1y square minus 8y minus 9. The product is 1 into minus 9. 1 into minus 9 is minus 9. Sum the coefficient of y. So sum is minus 8. So we have to find the numbers. Multiplying two numbers, here the product is minus 9, sum is minus 8. So 9 and 1 multiplying minus 9 means here minus, but adding minus 8. So the bigger number minus. So minus 9 plus 1. So y square minus 8y can be written as minus 9y plus y. Minus 9y plus y minus 9. First two terms in bracket, the next two terms. First two terms, y is common. So take y outside, y into inside y minus 9. Write the same number, y minus 9. Here y minus 9 is common. So take outside y minus 9 into here y plus 1. Y minus 9 into y plus 1. The next question, factorize 2x square minus 9x plus 10 by splitting the middle term. Here the coefficient of x square is 2. So first we have to find the product. Product is the coefficient of x square into 10. Constant term 2 into 10 is 20. And sum is the coefficient of x. X is minus 9. So product is 20, sum is minus 9. I have to find the numbers. 5 and 4. 5 into 4 is 20, but sum is minus 9. So minus 5 and minus 4. So minus 9x can be written as, first write 2x square minus 5x minus 4x plus 10. Then rearrange the terms, 2x square minus 4x, then minus 5x plus 10. First take first two terms, 2x square minus 4x, 2x is common. So 2x, take 2x outside, 2x into here x minus 2. Then minus 5x and 10, here minus and 5 is common. So minus 5 outside, minus 5 into here x, then minus 2. Here x minus 2 common. So take x minus 2 outside. So x minus 2 into 2x minus 5. Today we have revised the basic concepts of two chapters. 6th chapter algebraic expressions and identities and 7th chapter factorization. After watching this video, practice all the questions from textbook and complete the given worksheet. Thank you.